How can you make the YouTube subscribe and the bell intro on your iPhone? Let me show you exactly how it works. Let's get started. So, of course, you're gonna need like a video editor for it, and there are more apps which you can use, but personally I can recommend you the CapCut app. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but the point is that the app not only lets you like import your footage and put the clips together to end up with a nice looking video, but also it has the stickers feature which you can click on and look up the individual like gifs or stickers, which can be the bell icon or the subscribe button, and you can add it on the top of your existing clips. And this just means that you have like these moving animated stickers saying subscribe, and you can also just like resize it, put it in a different parts of the video, and even add your own animation to it, because we also have the keyframe feature, meaning that you can start outside of the frame and just move it in. So yeah, there are more ways how you can utilize it. But of course, there are different video editors. A lot of people use the LumaFusion or even more. But in those cases, you need to have your animation ready, right? Like you can see that there are like these services where you pay for the access, and you can access the stock footage or some video elements. And if you have that, you can access even like the subscribe animations. And then you can put it all together in a different video editors. Like as I said, in the LumaFusion, you could put it all together. But yeah, that is a little bit of a different process. So it depends on how exactly you want to go with it. But I just wanted to share with you the most common ways and the one which I also used myself. So let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this, and I'll talk to you later.